Ayurveda, as I've already defined, or what I make of it, contains timeless algorithms. When I use the word algorithm, it contains a set of cryptic codes. I won't say cryptic code, a set of expansive coded aphorisms which give you a kind of blueprint of life with your dynamism with yourself and nature, how exactly you're placed in the cosmos, and it gives you a complete blueprint of how exactly everything is integrated. So when we say, for example, that everything is made up of 5 elements, so this is called as a Pancha Mahabhutik Siddhant in Ayurveda, or 5 element algorithm of Ayurveda. It tells us that everything is made up of 5 elements. So even if we go outside the solar system, we go to a new solar system, we find new planets, we find new forms of lives, they still could be understood from these 5 elements. We do not require a separate definition of this entity. Similarly, when we come across to our own surroundings, we see that everything is still made up of these 5 elements. There is no discrimination of good and bad. So when we take this algorithm, we logically understand that this is a timeless algorithm. It is not something which was only relevant in some archaic medieval period. Of course, the way we understand it, the way we learn it, we tend to believe in that form, that these are old notion theories of earth, water, air, fire. But no, 5 element, if we say, give us a basic blueprint of what these elements mean. Like for example, in one of the 5 elements, we come across a term called as Agni. So it tells us that whatever is transforming is Agni. Whatever you are processing is Agni. Like if I'm saying something right now and you are processing it in a particular way, I'm absolutely not sure the way I am processing it, you are understanding in the same way. But whatever I'm telling you, you're transforming it. There is Agni. Similarly, whatever signals we get from the internet, like Wi-Fi signals, when they go into a gadget, there is some kind of transformation which helps us, the data which is sent in one form to come to us in a readable form. That also is Agni. So when we take these timeless concepts of Ayurveda and we remove the hocus pocus, remove the holistic association with it, remove the esoteric association with it, and we try and understand it from how modern world is moving towards artificial intelligence or machine learning, we can still understand the relevance of these concepts. And that is why I feel that Ayurvedic concepts and all these blueprints, what Ayurveda gives us, are timeless concepts. They need to be revisited from a different approach, from a very expansive approach, and then we'll see they are relevant not only now but also in future. Other example I would like to give you is that we say all food is made up of 5 elements. In near future, we are talking about tapping carbon in the air and creating solar foods. That's, if you see from the 5 element theory, that solar food is also an element. It can be a air element, it could be some other element, a wind element, which you are processing and integrating into your own 5 elements to nourish yourself. So when we look at these algorithms from this expansive point of view, we understand that these are timeless concepts which have the ability to explain to you all the proceedings which we create from our 5 sense projections on mental, physical, or so-called spiritual level, and hopefully find a dynamism with nature.